Turbocharge your brand awareness with our new portable easel display. Available in grey or black powder coat finish, this easel is a must-have for any retailers or business owners who want to set up and pack down marketing and advertising material quickly in their storefront or any heavily trafficked areas. Quick to set up and easy to use, this lightweight yet sturdy easel simply folds out and locks into place in a matter of seconds. The rubber trim on the base also means that your floors will be well protected from any scratch marks, whilst providing grip to prevent the easel from moving. This clever adjustable peg design allows you to hold a variety of sized items at several heights. With a minimum height of 500mm, pegs go up towards the top of the easel in 250mm increments. There are 5 sets of holes as height options to best accommodate your needs. This contemporary stand can hold up to 3 kilograms on the pegs, which is perfect for most frames and non-framed materials, including our popular corflute display options. You can now purchase our easels with dynamic full-colour printed boards, so your graphics will always pop out and grab your customers' attention, while also saving time and money. Weighing only 4.84 kilograms, this lightweight and portable poster display can be carried easily and stored in your car or other small spaces. Perfect for a hotel lobby, reception, retail store, exhibition, trade show, and even marketing meetings. Our quality poster holders are available online today. Order before 2 p.m. daily to receive same-day dispatch to anywhere in Australia. Slimline Warehouse. Online quality you can finally trust.